I watch so many creators risk getting sued on this app because they don't know how to protect themselves legally. Stop making your own contracts and stop trusting random ones from Google. The issue with a lot of these makeshift contracts is that they're vague, they don't cover all the bases you need to be completely protected, and they're not drafted by a lawyer who understands all the legalese you're supposed to include. If you're providing content services for a brand or a company, it's absolutely worth it to have your own contract and know how to edit the brand's contract. I'll tell you something, these brands absolutely write contracts in their favor. If you just mindlessly sign your name on the dotted line, you could be agreeing to be liable for third-party lawsuits, and you could be signing away the intellectual property rights to your content, which means you don't own it anymore. They do. And they can do whatever they want with your face and your name and your likeness for the flat rate of $50. You have to start treating your content services like what it is, a business. I totally understand not understanding all the legal terms and what to negotiate, but you have to learn how to protect yourself, your assets, and your business. Thankfully, you don't have to do it alone. I know legal help and contract templates seem tricky to navigate or insanely expensive, but they don't always have to be. And if you're a creator, I happen to know where you can get a really good one. These are the resources I use for my personal brand partnerships. I literally used the contract template yesterday, and they're drafted by a lawyer, so I'm never questioning whether or not it'll hold me down in a worst case scenario situation. No more second guessing and wasting hours of research on untrustworthy resources. I 100% recommend you grabbing the resources that I use from LegalDoer. You can use this promo code and get some percentage off. And they also have plenty of other accessible resources for you to use in case of any legal help that you might need.